Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And the Fed hiked rates another 75 basis points and basically said, you know, we're not done. I know you'd like us to be done, but we're not done. And they're not done. And so what they're really looking to do is, I mean, they just basically said it. We want to crush the economy. We want to crash the market so that we can rein in inflation. Now, whether that's a good thing, I mean, it's not a good thing, but inflation's not a good thing. But whether that's the right thing to do or not is not mine to say. So we just have to say that's what's happening. So with that, what are we going to do? I don't see a whole lot to be working on here right now. I think that you want to just be real conservative with what you're doing. However, this SARK, this is the the inverse ETF of Cathie Wood's brainchild here, the newest oracle of everything. So this is all the crap, all the crap that's just like, she owns all the shit stocks basically. I said it. So when we look at SARK, this is the inverse. Now, you're not going to get a big move up here because this would mean the only way this would happen is if the market totally tanks. And I don't think it's going to do that. This kind of seems to me like it's more of a slow bleed. I don't really see any, there's no capitulation in sight. Now, here's the thing. Whenever you see capitulation, it was never really in sight. That's the nature of capitulation. It surprises everybody. But it just feels to me like we're kind of getting this slow bleed down to hell. And so I'm not really expecting this big massive spike in SARK, but this sure is looking like a pretty well-defined trade. So it's down here, and then you can see it drifting right along the 200-day moving average, a nice little pullback like this. And so what I'd be looking for here on another down day, and it may take a day or two for this to consolidate here, but I would be looking for more of this type of thing. And frankly, yeah, my target, I don't know whether it'll hit it or not, so it's certainly not a prediction. But if this starts to move, it just seems to me like this would be a pretty good place to be shooting for. So anyway, that's all I got for you here. I'm not going into any more detail. Just hang tough and don't get hurt.